Tomatoes served 4 ways. Our list of ingredients for all 4 dishes today. Okay, today we're going to do a quick, easy meal. It could also be a snack or even a lunch, whatever you want it to be. We're just going to do tomatoes 4 different ways. And I'm just going to slice up a couple here just to show you what I'm going to do. And then we'll move on to the next part. I'm just slicing them up pretty much the same width. And we're going to do this with all of them. Actually, we're not. Some of them we're going to probably just kind of cube up. But at least for one of the dishes, we're going to do it this way. For another one, we're probably going to cube it up a little bit smaller. And we want a little bit of texture there. We don't want to be real thin. And I might even break that down a little bit more. That's what we're going to do with our tomatoes. All right, for our cucumber, we're going to do the same thing we did with our tomatoes. We're going to cut it 2 different ways. Just going to take the end off of that. I'm just going to slice them down. I want a little bit of texture to them. So I don't want to be real thin. I don't want to be real chunky. So probably somewhere around there. And obviously I'm not going to make you watch all of it. Just going to take them, come down in half. That's going to match our tomatoes that we have over here. The other ones, we're going to do just like our tomatoes over here. Come in half. Come in half again. So we're going to quarter them and have them just like our tomatoes. Okay, for the onion, we're just going to do strips. And take the top off, peel the outside of it off. So we're going to go right down the middle, have it. You know what, I'm going to take that root end off. So we're going to have it. Then we're going to just make small slices. We're going to start on an angle and work our way around. Trying to keep the same pattern going all the way through. We're going to flip it. Do it again. Now we're at the point where I can't really flip it or do much with. Oops. And that's pretty much what we're going to do with our onion. All right, for the green pepper, we're going to kind of try to match our quarter pieces over here. Oh, I'm sorry. No, we're not. We're going to try to match our half pieces over here of our tomato. I'm just going to take that out. Cut the end of it off. Come down through. Get rid of all the seeds. And I am sorry. Those are going to be together. This is going to be together. This is going to be kind of more quartered. Lost track of what I was going to be doing here. So I'm just going to cut these down. About like that. Cut it. That's pretty much all I'm going to do with those. Okay, as you see it, I went ahead and finished up the majority of it. If I need more, I'll add it. I just want to jump back in and take care of the cilantro. We're just going to rough cut them. And this is all we're doing for the whole thing. Stems and all. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just chop down through one more time. that's what we're going to do for our cilantro. And let me get things cleaned up. Okay, first thing we're going to put together is our cucumbers, our halved cucumbers, with our halved tomatoes. And we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce. I'm going to put it off to the side so I can mix it. And we're going to put a little bit of sesame seed oil. That should be plenty. And then we're just going to toss it around. Just get all mixed up. If I can keep it all in the bowl, that is. I'm not worried about salting this. The soy sauce has plenty of sodium in it. And it will come out in it. So for one, that's all we're doing with that one. The next one we're going to do is one my wife actually told me about. And we're going to take up just the quartered tomatoes. That's what I'm going to do for that one for now. I may change that later. And we're going to do a little bit of sugar. Yeah, I know. First time I heard, I thought, you kidding me? It's actually not too bad. Then we're just going to mix this up. This is usually more for like a snack or a side, usually not for a meal. And that's really all we're going to do with that one. We're going to take our quartered tomatoes. Oops. Our quartered cucumber. I'm going to take some of our sliced onion. And I'm going to throw a little bit of cilantro in there. Do a little bit more cilantro in that. Then we're going to take a little bit of our olive oil, pour it on. I'm sorry. Yeah, extra virgin olive oil. I must have forgot what I was using there. I'm going to do a little bit of salt on it. We're going to toss that together. That's going to be our third one. Our fourth one, we are going to go ahead and take the rest of our quartered tomatoes, our quartered cucumbers, our green bell peppers. You can use any color you want. I just went for green this time. And I'm losing track where I am with it. We're going to use that with some, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We're going to put on a little bit of our Parmesan cheese. And we're going to hold up there and mix it for a second. Yeah, I think I'm going to throw in a little bit of cilantro in it. Just give it a little bit of extra. And it looks like we're gonna get a little bit more pepper. And I'm gonna sample this because I'm not sure how much salt I actually put in it. Definitely need more salt. And I am going to put in some more cheese. And I'm going to sample this one more time. You know what? I can still use a lot more pepper. I want a little bit of bite in it. I'm not getting it yet. Salt, just a tad more. And we'll be finished with this one. Don't worry about all this left over. I'll mix it up as soon as I figure out who's eating what and how much of what. But for now, that's what we're going to do for today for a meal. Just making something cool. Something quick and easy. There's our four meals, or 4 plates. So we got our tomato and sugar, tomato, cucumber, soy sauce, sesame seed oil. And we got our salt, pepper, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, some cilantro, Parmesan cheese. I believe that was all we put in that one. This one we got our tomatoes, our cucumbers, onion, cilantro, some extra virgin olive oil, and I believe I put some salt in that too. If not, I need to. If I did put salt, it wasn't enough. I do have some in it now. It definitely is going to need it. So there you have it. Our 4 types of tomato dishes we're going to do today. Sorry about that, I'm not done. Best thing you need to do with this is do it a little bit ahead of time, put it in the freezer, you don't want to freeze it, put it in the refrigerator, let it chill for at least an hour or so. You want to get everything back up to that cold temperature, not room temperature, because everything dropped after you took it out and start working with it. So definitely get it put in the refrigerator for an hour, 2, 3 is even better. Just wanted to throw it in. I forgot to mention earlier. Thanks for watching.